Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 from 2023 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer as it is a place where we can enter them, and I will begin with probably the most known secret code, which is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both the main numbers and also a serial number of this device. Let me show you a very similar code, which will open the SAR level. So it is *##07#. And as you can see, we can check the SAR. What is more, we can enter the calendar info. So let me enter the code, which is *##225#*##*#. And as you can see, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best section to check the events because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let me show you another code which will open the diagnostic info. So it is *##426#*##. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we've got the server, host port, time connected. We can tap on events and check some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view, so just mark it and tap on the status again. And as you can see, we've got more information, so for example, the last ping or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the last code, which will open the testing menu. And the code is *##4636#*##. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone info or Wi-Fi info and usage statistics. Let me guide you through it. So here we've got the phone info. As you can see, we've got the email number again. We can check also the current network, data network type, the phone number also. We can run ping test here and we've got the results. No worries, I've got those. I do not have the kind of information because I do not have my SIM inserted. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can enable the data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. We can also check Wi-Fi info. We've got the API configuration and the status. So, for example, after tapping on the status, you can refresh the stats here and check some technical information about the Wi-Fi state. You can run ping test here also. And we've got the usage statistics, and basically here we've got the list of all apps and processes which are currently on this device. You can sort them by usage time, last time used, or app name. It's up to you. So basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your INFINIX Note 12 from 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.